Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
This is steel tube and it's going to have bad day. We are going to first cut it in half, then weld it together and then crush it. But what's the point? The point is to find out how strong are welds.
Yeah.
So we are going to compare original pipe strength versus welded pipe strength. Also what we are going to compare is me, 20 years of like shit weld, Hanna, 1 year of shit welds. Who is better shit welder? That's what we are going to find out today. Like reference, crush, and then we weld. Okay, here is the setup. Force sensor, steel beam, steel things, test sample, steel thing. We did some welding, me and Hanna. And I want to say that this is Hydraulic Press channel, not welding channel. We did our very best. And first we are going to test with like, what you say, reference sample. That took way too long. And we are going to crush until it starts to break. Yeah, the force is going down. That's ready. 5.5 tons.
Okay.
We are going to do this in the same order that we welded them, so it's easier to edit for our editor. I would say, I'm not sure, I think the comment box is not going to be so...
They're not gonna agree with us,
But I would say that this is like...
our best shot.
This is realistic welding. That's what's the welding that you face in the real world usually looks like. It's like, it's gone through pretty well, and I would say it's like pretty good, not amazing, and it's mine. I'm going to say that it's just as strong as the reference sample. It was even a bit better, like couple 100 kilos. I have to say that I feel proud and relieved.
Please check it.
200 more, and the weld didn't crack. So eat that comment box. It was good welding. Then this is cut in like the diagonal way. And also one thing to notice that I had too much power with this. I made couple holes that I had to plug. So it's like shit weld. I'm going to say that it's just as strong as the reference. I'm going to use this video every time when people are complaining about welding on this channel. Way more. 5.9. The worse the weld, the higher the result. Because if that's true, we are going to find out it soon. Here I had zero gap. They were completely together and way too little of power. So it's like weld is just sitting on top of the tube. I assume that this is only 4 tons. I can't see how this is as strong as the like good ones are. Here it goes.
Oh, now it broke.
It actually broke. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, I push it all the way through so we can like see what is the problem. Okay, so you can actually weld so badly that it starts to matter. Yeah, it's not come all the way through. That's the problem. The weld has been just sitting on top of the tube. So seems that it's better to have too little of heat rather than make like holes and then fill them up. Of course, it's going to look ugly as hell if it's
that looks ugly as hell. Now we can see if that matters.
Okay, here is Hanna's welding. Here is some like bubble action. That's a bit like that. Some bubble action. But I would say that you had probably enough heat. And it's not pretty, but I'm going to say that it's just as strong as all the other ones.
I'm glad if it doesn't crack like the last one.
Imagine if if it wins the whole thing.
Well, it doesn't. No, it
No, it cracked. But it was better than the two cold weld. That's 4.1. I would say that we had probably bad set.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't look very good. I can admit that. Because Hanna has used to be welding just like different things, where you have to make like bigger weld and like spread it
yeah,
around
I have no idea how to do it like this.
without spreading it around. So Hanna just didn't have the
Not any experience.
on this kind of welding. But it still took over 4 tons. It's like 80% as good as new one. So it's not like, it's not terrible. And now we are going to change the setup and do them like vertical. I think here the welds are not going to win. Ooh, oh, it's going that way. I think we are going to just take big force. 27 tons and then it tried to slip out. We can't let them slip out here. It was like out, 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 in. But that's super satisfying when the rust drops. We can have nice slow motion, ultra zoomed in, high quality detail here. Okay, then this. It's like, and I think I welded this pretty well. I would say that this is one of the best welds of today. I'm going to say it's 35.
Wow.
Was it 29?
Yeah.
The first one, so like 10% worse. I think that's pretty good. And then this. I have not welded this completely straight.
Yep.
So that's going to affect the results.
It went there.
That was the weld.
Yeah, that was
I stop here so we can have a look. I fucked up, I hide the weld. No, actually, it's, you can see it here.
Has it ripped?
No, that's like, that's good. That's
Can you
good.
see inside?
No, it's slightly like cracked there.
Maybe we can see it from the video.
Yeah, probably from the high speed you see it better. That was surprising. What we learned today. I have to say that I'm surprised that you can weld quite badly and it's still pretty good. Yeah, we have actually started on Beyond the Press channel, on second channel, to cover up like industrial topics, like visiting factories and stuff like that. And we have laser welding video coming there, like big welding video. And comment down below if we wanna see how Hanna masters the art of the welding. We can do a big video series how Hanna gets help from professional welders to master all the tricks.
Okay.
Hanna ain't sold yet. How many likes do you need for that to come true?
Too many.
Too many. If we get too many likes, then Hanna becomes professional welder.
Okay.
But go check out the Beyond the Press channel. Here are a couple videos that you might like there. And that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.